So they can ask which kind of application. So you should know about the
Yes.
application. Okay, you can troubleshoot like that. You can ask question like that, and if you will answer like that, okay, with your recruiter, then they can understand, yeah, you worked on that, you know the answer very well. So you need to just answer like that. Okay. So first of all, how are you?
I'm fine, Abhishek. Thank you so much for conducting this interview.
You're most welcome. Okay, so just let's start with the introduction. Okay, just tell me something about yourself, man.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. As you know, my name is Junaid Khan. I'm from Bareilly. I'm currently living Noida Sector 44. I have done BTech in Computer Science from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University.
Hmm.
I have 1.10 years of experience as a desktop support engineer. My roles and responsibilities to provide first level support to the users, ask questions to determine the cause of the problem, maintain the software and equipment, install the software and equipment, manage support documentation, manage the SLA, provide remote support to the users, provide support users on chat, email, and phone. That's all about me.
Okay, great. Nice introduction. So, you are working already, correct? And you have
Uh,
1.10
uh,
years of experience. In which,
yes, I'm not working currently.
okay, you left the job.
Yes.
So, may I know on which company you was working?
Microland is based
Microland.
on Gurgaon. Yes.
So,
The client
okay,
is Maruti Suzuki.
okay. So, like, tell me something more about your roles and responsibilities. So, did you use any ticketing tool on that?
Yes, yes, service now I'm using.
Okay, ServiceNow. So
Yes.
you know ServiceNow, how ServiceNow work. Okay,
Yes.
that's a very important. So why you left this that job? Like you will get this question if you will get and give any interview, then you will get this question. Why you left your previous job?
Actually, I'm joined Microland as a contract base. My 9 month contract is over. Then I
Okay,
was left. This.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, now you are looking for a next opportunity, correct?
Yes.
And as you said, you have a interview, yeah, like you have
Yes.
scheduled an interview already
Yes.
with
18th of November with Deloitte.
for the same role, service desk.
Yes, same role.
Okay, great. And from where you applied for that
From
opportunity?
LinkedIn.
Okay, LinkedIn. Great.
Yes.
So first of all the best for your interview. Okay,
Thank you.
and uh, I already uploaded some questions regarding service desk. Okay, on my website, so you can go through with that also. But first of all, I just want to start from basics question. Okay, because you know
Okay.
Deloitte is a very big company, so
Yes.
you will need to prepare for every question and answer. Okay, not for only technical, but also for the normal general question. So
Yes.
you will be asked, tell me about yourself, why did you leave your last job? Okay, they will definitely ask this question. Okay, what experience do you have in this field? They will ask, like you already uh, spoke about this all these all. Okay, so yeah, you will also need to prepare for that organization, that Deloitte organization. Okay, they can ask you regarding that also. Tell me something about Deloitte, like what do you know about this organization? They can ask you this question also. Okay, so you need to prepare for that also. Okay,
Yes.
and now, okay, just tell me something about like troubleshooting steps first, okay? Because if you will apply for the service desk, you will definitely get this question. What is troubleshooting steps, and how you will troubleshoot any issue? If I will give you one issue, then how you will troubleshoot that?
Oh, yes. Okay.
So, okay, I'm giving you one issue. It's a simple issue. My computer is not connected with the network. Okay, so in that case, what will I do?
In this case, I'm asking with users, is a user work from home or in work with office?
Hmm.
If user in work from home, Then first of all, I'm check with give the instruction user to check his router is properly connectivity is okay or not.
Mhm,
I'm just saying the users to restart your router again,
mhm,
and after 3 to 5 minutes they can check again if it router is working fine and is not coming internet. So maybe there is DSCP is not working in his machine. So I'm just open CMD with the users. I'm trying with the ask tell user to connect with his personal Wi-Fi with mobile phone Wi-Fi,
mhm,
and take his user machine remote, and using some CMD commands like uh, again restart the DNS
mhm.
using command flash DNS, like that the 2 to 3 commands IP release, IP renew.
Mhm.
After that his system is working because of the network issue only.
So again, if team member will not able to use their personal Wi-Fi on personal hotspot, they can use only office LAN connectivity, not Wi-Fi, only LAN connectivity. They can
Okay, they
use
are
that
in
computer.
office.
Yeah, they are in office and they can use only LAN connectivity. So in that case, what you will do? What you
In
need to
this,
do in that scenario? Like, just tell me the troubleshooting steps from the beginning.
yes, I'm give the some instruction to the users. First instruction is firstly they check his LAN connectivity. His LAN is cable is working properly or not. They can connect with other different LAN in another LAN with another port. If his LAN is working fine, so there is not in the LAN network issues. There is a DSCP not working properly. So in this case, we restart the DSCP again.
Mhm.
To following some steps to go on DSCP,
Sorry,
stop SP and restart
yeah,
again.
sorry to interrupt you. Could you please just tell me about DSP? Like, is that a machine? Like, only for our viewer, they should know what is DHCP. Is that any
Uh,
machine, any application?
DSCP as a service provide automatically IP address to our machine.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we use DSCP. If DSCP not work, then APIPA is automatically start in our machine. So when we try to connect with our system and try to open any website or any link, so
Mm-hmm.
our system not give the response because of DSCP is not working.
Great.
So there are some steps where I are running IP renew, IP release, and run flush DNS command slash IP config. That kind of our system is restart again, and our DSCP automatically restart again. If in this step our DSCP is not working, then second step is to go on uh, I I not remember right now. uh, Go on the DSCP and right click on that and restart again DSCP. I'm not exact
Okay, it's
idea
okay.
about
No, so the main solution is just restart the DSCP.
yeah, yes,
Restart the
restart the
DSCP.
DSCP.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to clarify that. First of all, we need to check the connectivity. Okay. LAN, this is a simple step. First, just unplug the LAN cable, wait for 20 seconds, then plug it back. This is the simple and first step. Okay. We need to
Mm.
perform. Okay. After that, we'll need to ask the team member or the user, please check is that like is it in any blinking light showing on the back side of the,
Yeah,
yeah,
the back side
computer
of
or
the line.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If they will say yes, then network is fine. If they will say
Yes,
no, then it means the issue is with the LAN
in
cable or
LAN
network
cable.
connectivity, correct? So
Yes,
if they will say yes, then we will go for next. If they will say no, then we will have to ask the team member or the user to just swap the LAN cable with any working LAN cable.
yes,
If they have multiple computers, so just we need to ask, just unplug that LAN cable, unplug a LAN cable from the working one and just plug it back in this one and try to test only for testing purpose. So
yes,
we can know about is the issue with the LAN cable only or the switch. So in that case, or if they will able to swap the LAN cable and after swapping the computer is working fine, then the issue must be with the LAN cable. But after swapping also, like a team member will not able to connect with the internet, then we must, first of all, we need to ask the team member to follow the LAN cable and check the port number and the switch number. We need to collect this detail very, like, this is very important step. We need to collect this information, port and switch name. Okay, and
Yes.
we can also advise the team member to restart the switch. Is the issue with this computer or every computer? This is the first question we need to ask in troubleshooting steps. And if they will say no, this issue is with only this computer, then we need to just troubleshoot on that computer. And if you will swap the LAN cable, that will work, definitely work. So sometime the issue is with the LAN cable connectivity. Okay, maybe LAN cable is loose, that's why they are facing that issue. So
Yes.
that's why we are saying that let's unplug and plug it back. And maybe sometime we unplug and plug it back again, but it will not like reflect. So on that case, we need to ask to restart the computer once and then check. So we can do the troubleshooting like that. You are also good, your answer is also good, but you need to just mention these things also. We need to probe, we need to ask question. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
is there
Yes.
any issue
Yes.
with one single computer or multiple computer? Okay, if they will say single computer, then we will work on only that single computer. If they will say on multiple computer, then we need to work on the switch also. Then we will go
Yes.
for the switch. But if the issue is with only single computer, then we will go with the LAN cable only, LAN cable or computer. Understand?
Okay. Maybe there is multiple scenario to resolve this kind of
Yes,
issue.
yes, yes. So this is
Driver update,
scenario
update
based.
driver like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Yes.
this is the scenario based question. So like,
Yes.
you can troubleshoot like that. You can ask question like that, and if you will answer like that, okay, with your recruiter, then they can understand. Yeah, you worked on that. You know the answer very well. So you need to just answer like that. Okay.
Yes.
Again, do you know about Active Directory or 365? Microsoft
Yes.
365.
I know Active Directory.
Could you please just
Active
tell me?
Directory.
Hmm.
Yes. Active Directory is a role of server which
Hmm.
manage object and attributes centrally. Object could be mobile device, user device, etc. Attributes could be mobile device name, user device name, etc. Active Directory is used to perform authentication and authorization both. It is a central database which is performed and centrally. Some people consider Active Directory as a database. After all, we can write data on it, retrieve data on it, and receive data on it. That is Active Directory.
Okay. Could you please just tell me some Microsoft applications? Okay. Do you know some Microsoft application? Like, or just tell me five Microsoft application we are using in Service Desk.
Outlook,
Hmm.
Excel, Word, uh, Word,
No, just
PowerPoint.
left Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Just left MS Office. If you will say MS Office, they all will include on that. So you can
Yes,
say Outlook, MS Office. Okay, two. And next,
I left Excel not consider it
no, so if you will say Microsoft Office, they all will include Microsoft
included in
Excel.
this.
Yeah. So you said Microsoft Office and Outlook. Now tell me three more, which is very important. And I
Window
know,
also is a Microsoft
no, no,
product
no, not window, not window. I'm asking for
application
application.
only.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
which we
Out
use. Hmm.
Actually, I know remember that kind of. I think I use
Yeah,
more, but
that's why.
not in
Yeah,
my
I
mind.
know you worked on that. You know very well, but you should know about that, okay? Because you will get this question. Uh,
Microsoft
the-
Store
no, no.
is not considering it.
Okay, I will tell you. So you worked on Teams.
Yes, Teams.
So that's
Yeah.
also a Microsoft application.
Yes, yes.
You know SharePoint.
SharePoint. Yes.
You know OneNote.
OneNote also in
You
mind.
know Power BI. These all the Microsoft applications. So before giving interview, just read out that also. Okay, read
Okay,
out
okay.
regarding the Microsoft applications. They can ask, because if you will say like I worked on I know 365. So on 365, if you will normally just search on Google Office 365. Okay, so 365 is a license from where you will get some application. Okay, application like MS Office, PowerPoint, these application, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange, Publisher, Access. So these are the application you will get from Office 365. So Office 365 is a
License.
license, correct. So
When we
you
provide license of Office 365 to the users, you can access all this kind of
all this
application on
kind
his
of, so
machine.
they can ask which kind of application. So you should know about the
Yes.
application. Okay, on that case you can say Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive. These are all the Microsoft application.
Yes.
So you should know, they will definitely ask this question. Okay, so you should prepare for that also. And
Okay.
yeah, the same thing for the computer. I already asked this question with all of our like interviewer, mock interviewer. Scenario is, it is a scenario based question. So just troubleshooting step. Tell me the troubleshooting step if my computer is not turning on. This is a very simple and very effective question. Okay, all the
Yes.
interviewer will ask this question. If my computer is not turning on, in that case, what will you do?
I'm asking some question to the users.
Hmm.
First of all, I'm asking is power cable is connected properly with this system or not? Is it
Hmm.
laptop or system?
Laptop.
Computer.
Okay, okay, a
Laptop. Okay.
computer. Sorry, just laptop, computer. I'm asking about computer.
Okay, so computer. So I'm asking first of all, is connected with the switch power cable to the laptop or not? It's connected properly or working properly. First of
Hmm.
all, I'm asking to swap with another cable
Hmm.
and power cable and another switch and check if it's
Hmm.
not turning on his system. So
Hmm.
I'm asking two questions: if his system is on display, blank display on his system,
Hmm.
or in a blue screen. Because first of all, I think to understand the situation, as
Hmm.
if is the black screen or blue screen or
Hmm.
not any kind of an issue. If not, if user machine not showing blue screen or not showing black screen, so this is
Hmm.
the system issue, not in is the machine or not the application issue.
Hmm.
So if the system in black screen showing, so in this kind of is maybe the RAM is not connectivity properly, not RAM working properly, hard disk issue maybe,
Hmm.
video card issue maybe, maybe
Hmm.
the video cable is not working properly. If there is an black screen of issue, and there multiple scenario of that kind of issue.
Hmm.
And if there is an below screen of death, so there is maybe is C drive is full, RAM is not working, uh, uh, hard drive is not working, maybe the some update is not installed properly,
Hmm.
a virus issue like that kind of. So in this case, in below screen of that, we can troubleshoot user machine, restart
Hmm.
multiple times,
Hmm.
and open user machine on safe mode, and start for perform some troubleshooting steps. Go on troubleshooter, uh, on user machine, uh, advance,
No,
and
but they, like the computer is not turning on. They are not able to turn it on anymore. So
yes, in this
computer,
kind of I'm asking to users is black screen. So in black screen we can again uh, again
yeah, it is a black screen.
unplug.
Okay,
Yes, it is.
I am a user and I will say, yeah, it is a black screen. I'm not able to
So
turn it on.
so in case we first of all check the video cable of user machine.
Hmm.
Maybe the video cable is not working properly, we can change another video cable and connect with it. And if this is not working, is the not issue in video cable, so we can unplug the his RAM, and again settle in his CPU, and
Hmm.
a hard disk is also. So maybe there is an issue of hard disk, CPU, that kind of this three
Okay,
to four steps we follow, and this issue is maybe definitely resolved.
okay.
Black
So
in black screen.
okay, so I will suggest you to please go on my website, and or you can watch my video regarding this issue. I already uploaded. Yeah, so you are right, but we need to answer step by step. Okay, we need to like first of all, okay, if I will get that issue, so first of all I will make sure the PC is connected with the power outsource, okay,
Power.
power switch, okay, and make sure it is turned on. I already uploaded a video and on my website and the YouTube also. Then I will advise you to unplug the power cable and wait for 20 seconds, okay, at least 20 seconds. I can say you this step only this step, unplug power and plug it back after 20 seconds will work 50 to 60%, because I'm using that, okay, and it is working. This
Okay.
step is working. Okay,
Okay, I
so you
remember
can
it.
use yes. So you need to just ask your team member or user to do that, and after that also it will not work, then we need to first check our advice to swap the power cable with any working power cable. We will not go directly on the video cable, we will go further, but first we need to troubleshoot like that. Okay,
Yes, well,
we
first
need
of all.
to ask to swap the power cable, because if computer is not turning on, the must be issue with the power cable, maybe. So we need to
Yes.
like ask the team member to change the power cable with any working power cable, okay, and also advise the team member to just like change the power source, okay, power source like the power board. If there
Yes,
issue,
power board.
there may be issue with
Maybe
the
the
power
issue on
board.
power board.
Yes, and if it will also not work, then we will go for the RAM. So we'll just advise the team member to open the RAM, sorry, open the CPU if they will able to.
If they will.
Then yeah, they will able to just unplug the CPU and unplug the RAM and clean it and just plug it back and press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and release that, and then again just press the power button and try to start. If that will also not work, then team member will not able to do anything. Then they need to contact any technician, because for motherboard part, for like we can check is there any issue with the hard disk or not. If computer will turn on, if we computer will turn on, then we will do troubleshooting, like we will do a diagnostic test. In that case
Yes.
we will able to know. But if computer is not turning on, then in that case we need to advise team member to contact the technician. Okay, we
Yes,
all
local
have the
ITT.
local IT team, they can take
Yes.
care of that. So
Yes.
these are the basic steps we need to perform on the phone only. You will not able to perform more than this step on
On,
phone.
yes, only phone we can suggest to the users only.
Correct, correct. So
Actually,
that's
in
the
this actually in this scenario,
mm-hmm,
when interviewer asks like that kind of issue,
mm-hmm.
so I'm just telling him all the scenario.
Correct. Yeah,
So in
you
this,
need to tell, but start from
yes,
beginning. Just you
okay,
yeah, don't say like yeah, first we will ask to unplug the RAM. Yeah, you will like say every step, but not in sequence way. But
okay,
if you will say like in sequence, then it will reflect and it will affect
okay,
on your interview, on your answer also. Okay, so
okay,
just go through with the step, okay, step by
okay. So
step.
patiently, I'm telling the all these steps step by step to the.
Yes, so
Okay,
because if you will tell them the step, okay, they can interrupt you in between that and they will ask one more question. So these scenario based, like you can engage the interviewer in this, like if they will ask if my power cable is not working also, so this is the next question, you can answer this question, okay. So
yes, power cable
they,
is changed by the local IT team.
yeah, so these type of question they can ask, so you need to like engage, you need to engage with the interviewer, okay. So like
Yes,
if you will say directly, you will just um start replying like yeah, just change the advise team member to change the RAM, advise team member to change the hard drive, advise team member to change the power cable. So this is looking like I'm just reading something, okay, This is looking like I'm reading something. I have some notes and I'm just reading that. So not like that. Just start from the beginning. Just they can understand, yeah, you worked on that, you know very well, because you know very well,
Yes.
you already worked on that, so you need to express that.
Yes, but in kind of issue, first we need to analyze the issue. If user turning machine is not turning on, so I'm
Mhm.
asking the is a black screen of issue or blue screen of issue, so that I can
So
perform the steps.
not turning on, like we need to ask, is there, like, is there any power issue? First we need to ask this, is there any power issue or not? If they will say, yeah, I do not see any power in that computer, then we need to
Okay,
continue with that. If they say, yeah, I can see the power, I can see the light on the CPU, but computer is not turning on, then you will
okay.
perform this
Perform
that step.
the steps.
Yeah, yeah, so we need to
Oh,
ask like that. And if you will answer like that with your interviewer, they will definitely understand, yeah, you know that issue, you worked on that issue, and you can help the team member. I just want
okay,
to, yeah, share you these instructions. So uh, go through with that. You will definitely able to do that, and your communication is okay. You can like do good in interview. And also I will just suggest you to just go through with the technical question, more technical question, because Deloitte is a very big company. They will ask more
yes,
and more question. Okay, if you will answer, then they will ask the question from that answer also, so you will need to prepare for that. So I will suggest you to go with the scenario based question more. Okay, because they need that. They will not need like the theoretical question, they will need the practical question. So
yes,
network connectivity, power connectivity, okay, these are the practical questions, so just go through with that. They will definitely ask
definitely I am.
this. Yes, yes, they will definitely ask. And all the best for your interview. Right now I think we have done uh with
1 minute
our
left.
time limit. Yes.
Yes. Actually, today, yesterday night, I go through the YouTube some
Mm-hmm,
troubleshooting step to check. Then I find your YouTube videos.
mm-hmm,
I just watch your video. I find that there is your videos help me, and when I connect with you, it's
mm-hmm.
definitely more help me to crack the interview. So
Sure,
that I
sure.
send you on that.
Yeah, no worry.
Actually,
I
I'm stuck. Actually, I'm stuck only that kind of. So when someone interview ask me to tell me something about traveling, something about uh,
no, no.
last weekend, that kind of issue,
Okay,
I'm stuck.
okay. I will say they will ask this question only they will need to know your communication. They don't want to know your traveling experience, they don't want to
Yes,
know anything. They just want to understand your communication, so you should prepare for that. Just prepare for any traveling experience, prepare for any happy moment. Okay, so just prepare